In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up your Binance account and log in if you haven't already. And down here at the bottom, you'll see Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Wallets. If your dashboard does not look like this, but it looks like this, just go over here to the left-hand corner, tap the icon, and down here you'll see an option for Binance Pro. Click on that. Once you're on this dashboard, tap Wallets. And to buy USDT, we need to get to spot. So we can either swipe or you can easily just tap on spot. Next, we're going to go right over here to the search icon and type in USDT. Once you've found USDT, we're going to click on it. This will bring up a couple options. Since we want to buy USDT, we're going to click here, buy with USD. You can enter the dollar amount that you want to buy. We're just going to click on $15. And down here are the options you can use to pay. On this option here, you can pay with crypto that you might have, or if you click here with pay with card, this will bring up Visa, MasterCard, Payment Aid, and Google Pay. Or if you want to, you can just add a new card and you can pay that way. After you've selected your payment method, you can now go ahead and buy your USDT.